The 2011 BMW Z4 by 3D design. You can't say that the Japanese don't know how to handle German machinery. Not when a Japanese aftermarket company can turn an already sporty BMW Z4 into a piece of tuning awesomeness. Gnarly, aggressive, and sexy all at the same time, 3D Design's new race-inspired body kit for the Z4 speaks volumes on the level of skill the Japanese have for giving cars a fantastic styling makeover. Check out the new duds on this Z4, including a new front splitter, side skirt extensions, a new carbon fiber rear diffuser, a trunk-mounted spoiler, a set of 19 inches forged wheels, and stainless steel sport exhaust system with valves that provide the added thunder to the entire makeover. Meanwhile, the interior also received a full-gauge package that you can find just above the car's gear lever. It's an awesome package even if BMW's sports roadster was left with its 3.0-liter, inline 6-cylinder engine with 300 horsepower and top speed of 155 miles per hour. It now has the look to justify its powerful, workhorse of an engine. Consider us mightily impressed.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.